Hey guys, I just got a Bass Pro order in just now. I'm going to do an unboxing video. Kentucky number 8's video. I just now got it, so I haven't opened it, seen anything in it yet. But I got some pretty good stuff. Fish are about to start spawning here. Got the Berkley Rabbit Smash Tubes and Red Rum. Got tons of saw on it. It looks awesome. Got the Hack Attack jig, Falcon Crawl, I think. Falcon Crawl. Got a KVD swim jig, heavy cover swim jig in bluegill color. Got the net bait Pack-A-Chunk and Kentucky Special 3-inch. And I got a mini mop jig in Texas Craw color. And I think that's it. It's just a small video. Check out Kentucky number 8. And we're fixing to go to the pond probably and try to catch y'all some fish and get on video. We'll be using this GoPro Hero 3. And that's my baits. I got these smash tubes because I think they'll work real well. Good color.